I have a really cool life hack for you today. If you're anything like me, maybe sometimes you pick up your phone and you click on an app without even realizing that you've clicked on the app. And then before you know it, you've scrolled for 45 minutes on Instagram or Facebook, or you've played a game for longer than you wanted to. It's not intentional entertainment, it's just mindless, habitual action. This iPhone hack puts a barrier between you and your most addictive apps. Shortcuts is a free app on iPhones. I have a shortcut set up that says, hey, iPhone, whenever I open this specific app, please instead open this other specific app. So then when this shortcut is active, if I try to tap into Facebook, Facebook will open for like a split second and then immediately be replaced by a different app. And it's great because I don't have a choice. It just happens. And then I remember, oh, that's right. I didn't want to be on Facebook right now. What was I thinking? So I'm going to show you how to create this shortcut for yourself on your iPhone. If you do not have an iPhone, I apologize. This is just not a video for you. So let's get into this. Okay, let's jump into how to use shortcuts on iPhone to curb your app addictions. Step number 1, open the Shortcuts app. Pretty easy here. If you don't, for some reason, have the Shortcuts app on your iPhone already, go ahead and download it from the App Store. Step 2, you're going to tap on Automation down at the bottom of the screen in the middle there. Step 3, if you don't have any automations already set up, you're going to tap New Automation. If you do already have some automations set up, there is a plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen, and you're going to go ahead and tap on that to set up this new animation. Automation. You know what I mean. Automation. Step 4, you're going to scroll down on this list of items and you're going to select app from the list of options that you have there. Step 5, you're going to tap choose for the app, and this is where you're going to choose the addictive app that you want to ditch. Your Facebook, your Candy Crush, your Instagram, your, I don't know, what have you. Step 6, you're going to get a list, a big long list of all of your apps. And you can either use the search bar up above to search for the specific app, or you can just scroll around and find the addictive app that you want to use for this automation. And you're going to tap on that. So you get that little check mark next to it. And then you're going to tap on done in the upper right hand corner. Step 7, you're going to look at the little menu down below and you're going to tap on run immediately. And then you're going to tap on next in the upper right corner. Step 8, you are going to tap new blank automation so that you can create this automation. Step 9, you're going to tap open app, because basically what we're doing here is we're saying when Facebook is opened, instead open this other app that I'm going to tell you about in just a minute. Step 10, you're going to tap app, because that's how you're going to select the other app to open instead of Facebook. Step 11, you're going to select a non-addictive app of some kind. This could be your notes app. This could be a language learning app. This could be any app that is not addictive. The whole point is basically to not be able to open your addictive app. Now, if you want to feed two birds with one seed, as they say, you can also, as you're getting rid of the habit of opening up an addictive app, you can replace that with the habit of using a productive app of some kind. So I highly recommend the app I Am, which allows you to scroll positive affirmations. Now, if you have a goal to learn Spanish, let's say, maybe you put Duolingo as your non-addictive app. And so every time you try to open Facebook or some other type of social media, it automatically then opens up your language learning app instead. And you're like, oh, that's right. I said I wanted to be learning Spanish. I'm going to do a Spanish lesson. That's more of how I want to be living my life these days. That's a habit that I want to get into rather than just mindlessly scrolling. Anyway, this step is about finding your non-addictive app from the menu, the list of apps that's going to be presented to you. Once you tap on it, it's going to take you all the way to this screen. And so what it's saying is when Facebook is opened, open the app I Am. Facebook will come up for like a split second, and then immediately it will switch over to the I Am app. It will not let me look at Facebook at all. And then you click done on this step. Step 13, that's it. Ta-da! Your new automation is complete, and you can now take a bow because you have created this to help you with your addiction to addictive apps. So, as it says there, when Facebook is opened, instead it's going to open a different app. So that's all set up and it is enabled. Step 14, you can now enable and disable the shortcut as you see fit. So if you're on this screen and then you tap on the white box there that represents your automation, you're going to come to this screen, and at the top where it says automation run immediately, if you tap into that, you can select between run immediately, which means the shortcut is enabled and it will not let you open whatever that app is, or you can select don't run, which means you would be able to tap on Facebook and then immediately it will let you open Facebook. So that is how you enable and disable the shortcut. So there you have it. That is how you use the app shortcuts and set up a shortcut to lessen your addiction to certain apps. Replace a bad habit with a good habit, perhaps. You can turn it off when you want to be intentional about scrolling on Instagram or Facebook, if you want to post, things like that. But you have to actually go into the app shortcuts and turn off this automation so that you can then go in. So it creates all these barriers that are put in between you and the addictive app, so that you have to actually make it a conscious choice to use that app. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you found that helpful. Please like, comment, and share this video with anybody else that you think might benefit from it. Also, please check out my website, thealignedactor.com, for more about me, Amy Schloerb, and my work. And I will see you next time. Bye.